In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to record activities with your Garmin watch. On the watch face, press the upper right button. If your watch is a 2-button model like the Venu 4, press the same upper right button. The following screens and steps are similar. We'll continue the demo with the fēnix 8. Select Activities. Then browse and choose the activity you want to do. Tap More to see more activity options. Select Edit to add more activities to your favorites list. Choose Add. Here you can directly select. For example, I want to add track run. Press the plus icon at the top right. It will be added to the list immediately. Let's go back to the previous page to see the current list. You can see the track run we just added. A pin icon appears next to the list item. Tap it to pin your most frequently used activities, so they appear on the main menu, making them easier to select later. If you choose an outdoor activity, please go to an open outdoor area with good signal and no obstructions, and wait for the watch to acquire satellite signals. Indoor activities do not require waiting for satellite signals. Before starting the activity, you can also go to the activity settings to adjust your preferences for each function. For details, please refer to the user manual on the official website product page for your watch. Once positioning is complete, press the Start button. The watch will begin tracking your activity route and display real-time data such as pace, distance, and heart rate. If you're doing a running activity, the watch automatically laps every kilometer by default, making it easy to track and compare your performance per kilometer. Auto lap distance varies by activity type. Some activities have auto lap turned off by default. You can adjust the lap settings in the menu, or manually press the lap button anytime. If you're following a structured workout or doing strength training indoors, pressing the lap button advances to the next training step. If you need to pause the activity, press the Stop button and select Resume when you're ready. If the activity is finished, select Save. The watch will show the activity summary, and, when connected to your phone, sync the data to your Garmin Connect account. You can review these history records anytime and witness your own progress.